Hello, 6th graders. This is Mr. Odd here, and today I'm going to be reading a classic story from Greek mythology. Greek mythology has to do with stories about Greek gods and goddesses, and sometimes the people they interact with. The story I'm going to read today is called Echo, the Nymph Who Talked Too Much. I hope you all enjoy the story. Hello there! Hello there! 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 Have you ever heard an echo and wondered what it was? Listen to the story of Echo. Echo was a nymph who talked and talked because she loved the sound of her own voice. She was a servant of Zeus, king of all gods on Mount Olympus. Because Zeus enjoyed the beautiful nymphs, he often joined them in the valley where they played. But Zeus had a wife named Hera, who was very jealous whenever he spent time with the dainty nymphs. One day, Hera came to the valley herself in search of her husband. If she found him there, she intended to scold him and take him home. At the entrance to the valley, Hera was met by Echo. Echo knew why the angry goddess had come. Wanting to protect Zeus, Echo began to talk and talk and talk to keep Hera from entering the valley. Only when Echo was forced to stop and catch her breath was Hera able to rush past her. Finding the valley empty, Hera knew she had been tricked. Zeus had been able to escape. Turning angrily to Echo, Hera said, "Because you always want the last word, you shall have it, but you will never have the first word again." Suddenly, Echo could no longer speak. She could only repeat the last words of what somebody else said. Echo grieved so deeply that she faded away. Finally, all that was left of her was a tiny voice that repeated the last words of others. So whenever you hear an echo, remember, don't talk so much that people grow tired of listening to you.